Achawi kamataya pawing. Kamjong District Pungir Block Li Karisada Kambi Winter Football Tournament Hapokhaira. India ngalewi apam ngatay dali Aya National Press Day mayon ngorok haira. State Sarkarna Indian Constitution with Article 371C kala ADC election with maramli yangsang mikwai President Ramnath Kovind li joint memorandum miwa haira. Lay khayang lator Jajo TTE pau Chungsangla Jajo inapami dalay pau bing may sa ay na nganang ramsa. Kamjong District Pungir Block Li Karisada Kambi Winter Football Tournament hapok hair. Ngahan chili Indie Hills Private Limited na sponsor samilaga Kambi katam naulong na rung kamina. Indie Hills PVT LTD with Chairman MD Social Worker Ashangasada Masowa Sada Vazanga. Tournament jiwi haugapog rani chili AZTECS Sports Manipur with President Dr. Paramananda Thangjam na Khayaw Sada Vazanga. Kala artist thang miso Shinglaila special guest Sada Vazanga. Ashangasarna rani chili matuida hanga. Kanui tod itum nga kar tuida ajiwi tournament hitada Sada Kalay hili. Kangriyaw pingli national state level washung kawai sasa chia. Kala country thay mang maning la hockey badminton hikathang ngariyaw kangai lay akha hangmilo apong phamira da Ashangasarna hangsanga. Kanui tod ava avali phaisa mopola ngalang phai khuida khalata ringkhawai sasa gachila hangsanga. Kambi Winter Football Tournament hi ajugumva kadot lak aina sa ka khui sa hauda katenaw aina hagupok na khak kanaw kumva hili hak mai sada chiliva itumwi shom shirin khayor rani la ngurum sangrada Ashangasarna hanga. Raghara election hili itum society khangajai khira khawai sada nutumwi aman sakla kahai khanmet mayor za haila Tangkhul liram kala Kamjong District Raisang sak khangai ningai pali kathana kapangasa kachila Ashangasarna hanga.
Higadai jum kok salaga hi shongai na osase Tangkhul wi makhanini makang khanali lampong da jang politics wi tui laga jang aprevena hiwa mahairi laga thingwa pha laga Shimkhul nganaw khle baji Jewish society ji let us change, let us destroy this culture. Jang sinaw ping na sai tha da otsapam mer naw ping na hotel li cha naw khamang la khabar naw sing laga lampong da politics tui awa sikila sang phang lamani asama sin hang khungai na chat han ma cha pha ka preveling amar da sa it is a very shameful ka khaya ga wat na chimlai house MLA aka khle liwa football national player aka khle na chongmai itumi politics Tangkhul liwa jang MLA aka khle liwa Olympian liwa ka changpa china itumli ngchon mai kana ma hi phata ro ko ituma ka to nga hi mala hai la ka MLA pali thisang la aka changsa da jang miya khamang jili meeting thumra jili aka changsa da thisang la ka horser house hi phata ga ji changlia khipana ka thana sar ji nana paila ka na ka pangsa khawra jaina phaisa ina sui la ka jili ma chat mi alo ji thai da hangla lama si sang mi alo sa ga hai ping ji thai re ma sarang ga ji bing ga tom la ga ichum ka tha da khi ga sa si kla ga ji ba ji ra da khle le ji ma thalai na sa mi lo ga ji ba ji i hangai youth pingli player pingli na hangai pa awa wali khipak phaisa mo po paim ung la ga no wi Christmas wi boot or dress long ai la ngalong phailo acha la ga ichum ji tha da kai ngalong phailo la ka na khla tan na lo la ga ring khwai sa lo hi ga sai ka khiwang la ja ga ring ji thai se ji dai ga na wi mi ring thai ho re ya
Tournament ji sponsor Sami Khwai Kahangli Mathanda Tup Aina Maya Khami Wewang Kambi Kadam Naulong President Ratan Mi Maluna Indie Hills PVT LTT with Chairman MD Social Worker Ashangasarli Ningshitara ka Pongshok Hair. Higata Wartam Li Gatom da Country Thay Ngahan Rung Khami Wewang Ningashi Village Authority with Shong Aina MK Pungam na Pongshoka. First Kambi Winter Football Tournament Li Team Chikona Sharuk Kuidale. Team Bingche Oriental Club Kumram Katam Naulong, Pungye Katam Naulong, Kangwai Katam Naulong, Kangbat Kholen Katam Naulong, Jadong New Site, East Som Katam Naulong, Kambi Katam Naulong A, Kambi Katam Naulong B Hiping Hina. First play Kambi Katam Naulong A na, Kangwai Katam Naulong na, Ngariyoda Kambi Katam Naulong A na Yui Haider. First Kambi Winter Football Tournament hi Aya Haupogda, Ajiwi Tarik Thada Jishatli Kupki Gachina. India ngalewi apam ngata day dali aya National Press Day mayon ngorok haira. Manipur lila zimik show de mayon the Directorate of Information and Public Relations DIPR Complex nit iaipat chuthegli rani aka kwikaya. CM Biren na chili maso sada vazanga. Information and Public Relations Minister TH Biswajit Singh Zangda, Fisheries Minister, IPR Commissioner, All Manipur Working Journalists Union President Atumla Vazanga. State with Journalists Award la Rani Chili Mishok Hair. National Integration and Communal Harmony Maramli Poknafam Daily with Editor Aribam Robindro Sharmali Best Editor Award Mihaira. Shanghai Express with Staff Reporter Sabam Aruna Devi Huyan Lanpawi Resident Editor Dr. Khaiden Athoba Meitei, People's Chronicle with Staff Reporter Oinam Mission Singh, Shanghai Express with Senior Staff Reporter Mayang Langbam Roman Singh, Impact News with Reporter Anchor Shetri Mayum Premchand Singh, Atumli Journalist Award Mihaira. Rani Chili CM Namatuida State Shorkana, Atam Gajida Freedom of Expression, Kotom the Kala Press Freedom, Makamara Gachihi Hang. Ka freedom of expression layda micham miramli magashur masapai manada CM na hang sanga. Pau me bingli CM na khaya shilaka kaji he hang da state chorkar na pau me bing wivang phak vai apong ngadadai dali sami haira da CM na hang. Manipur State Journalist Welfare Scheme maramli la hang da Corpus Fund Crore Tharawi Atarwi Aina Lupa Lak Magada Panga Pau Me Ping Wivang Shichin Haira Kala Retired Journalist Pingwi Pension da Matai Kami Haira da CM na Hang Pau Kami Luiramwi Maramli State Chorkarna Sag Hai Matuida DIPR Building la Ajugum Kupsang Kala Kangpok Pi Aina Fairzol District Li District Information Office la Semiya da Minister Biswajit na Hang Pau Kamili Pau Jiwi Karajan Kanini Yarili Hang Jitaida Tazat Mijang Mikai Masala Ponglo Kajila Hang Sang. State Chorgarna Indian Constitution with Article 371C Shuran Shur Kavaikala ADC election Masami Rangda Kalai Maramli Yang Sang Mikvai President Ramnath Kovind Li joint memorandum Miva Haira. Memorandum Chili Local Self-Government Maramla Zangda Justice Foundation VIS Federation of All Tribal Youth Club Kala People for Legislative Watch na ngurumda Mikavana. Manipur Village Authorities in Hill Areas Act 1956 Parliament Semigahaichi Election Masamada Mazat Nala Leida Lake Kala Autonomous District Council Tarogui Election La Masamila Leida Article 371 Sili Mighai Special Provision Chiva Manugashi Sahaira Memorandum Chili Hangsanga. India we constitutional Mighai Atishur Sakavaikala Manipur we Kapungvak Article 371 Sili Mighai Quising Sakavai President Kovind na Samiran Samiluda Pohaira. Constitution ni Mighai Atishur Hill Areas Committee na Pasag High Bill Assembly li Table Sada Ngasan Palungi Gachina Ka Chi State Chorkarna Masamila Leida Kalai Mamashung Mana Gachila Hangsanga. Hill Areas with budget la Ngadaida Legi Gachina Kala Constitution with Article 164 Atishur Manipuri Tribal Welfare with Minister in Charge Malayran Mana Ka Manipur with Governor and Chief Minister na Mutung Maganda Sada Hill Areas with Minister in Charge da Kabangasang Hina Article 371C Mazat Nang Saktura Gajila Memorandum Chili Hangsanga Maram Bingji Yang Sangmida ADC Act 1971 Kal Manipur Village Authorities in Hill Areas Act 1956 with Azingli Election Saran Sangsak Lukala ADC Bill 2021 Chila State Assembly Special Session Rungmida Ngazegrum Ngasak Lukachi He India with President Li Povahira Maning Aga Article 356 Li Mighai President Rule Zat Nakavai Apong Kuilapai Kachi Hi Hangsanga ADC Bill 2021 Wivang Special Assembly Session Kwikami Kamai Kapohi Taklak Aina Sakami Dakar Sahaira Hill Areas Committee Nala Polishit Haira 43 Punger Assembly Constituency with Subdivision Gutumli Naga People's Front NPF with One Day Political Conference Rungrada Ngahot Haigasaji Atamakakla Ngasonva Haira NPF Political Conference Chi Subdivision Gutum Punger Kasom Kalen Kala Gamjongli Thang Thang Rungmirada Ajawi Tarik Makada Shini Kala Tumra Thang Hi Langjin Sahai Gasana Ka ADC Bill 2021 table makasawi wang at sam na tarik makutang aina total shutdown salaga economic blockade la sarada vaushok ka hai chili ka gotom sada political conference ranye ji nguson ka hai ka sanada hanga Chitada sada at samwi ranye kupsang ka hai chili 43 Pungyar Assembly constituency li NBF with political conference ranye kathar NBF office na chishat minaura chia Poi Village Development Council Malay Manada Pau Gazaji Mamashung Manada Termidalay. Poi Village Development Council na Turkami Migashok Atishurda Ramwi Shian Chikan Regasang Saikora Shaishi Hauda Youth na Makok Milaga Ajugum September P with Tarik Taruktang Public Assembly na Mayakang Rokwi Alungli Village Development Council Kasemna. Public Assembly Chili Mi Shagatum Mukada Pangakada Pumnaga Yaripan Kwira Kawai Kokasada Council Jikasemna da Hang Poi Kui Umbam Gabaida Zingumbaga Kahaira Chia Council J Sem Gahai Tili September P Tarik Shinitang Ayin by Law Sem Kawai Committee Kabangada Public Member Shagatum Hangbangada Shinit Zangda Ayin Sem Gahai J Mayang Roglaga Village Development Council We Katana Kabangaya da Hang Ka Ajahon Hapta Tarik Taruktang AS Mahuire we Secretary Shimtar Raisingna Village Authority we Aming Singnaga Poi Village Development Council Malay Paimara Malay Manada Condemn Sayachi Council Malay Paimara Malay Manada Kapayachi Vested Self-Interest Individuals na Kapong Pau na Kajihi Poi Village Development Council na Pongshoka Kala makamushung pau mapong papa kawai yur kala Tangkhul Nagalong na hang matin milu kajihi Poi Village Development Council china ngakaw haira COVID Vaccination Awareness Relief Campaign ayaka somkolen somray chakama kala shungri paida kung matili rungmi haira Ranyeji BJP Manipur Kisan Morcha we Vice President Ningringam Kashung na Makok Kamina Sewahi Sangadhan we Azingli Ningringam Kashung na Makok Mida Sara Kahai Vaccination Awareness Relief Campaign chi Kung Hangchigo Shaka Apamati Liva Vashung Haira Chia Campaign China Mimau Maragaza Kawai COVID Arigaka we kan kana Hangjiteda RG Kapkui Ser Kawai Kasatsanga Kasom Kolenli Rungkami Campaign Chili Manipur BJP President Sarda Devi Vazanga Ramnau Bingli Kung Kawakasak Taimida Kung Bing Chili Kangajon Sada Mayang Bai Machi Pias Kala Hand Sanitizer Yaw Mihair Rane Kala Ngajon Kami Wivang Kung Bing Chiwi Awunga Bing Karnau San Kala Rijum Nau Bing na Ningringam Kashungli Ningashi Kagatom Pongshok Hair Yang Repay General we 59 Conference Cum Sports Meet Chi Kamasom Kayang Kholi Sarada Tahai Kasaji Ngriopung Maram Wivang Aina Kamasom Valley Vak Sahara Kachipau Yang Repay Conference na Kabi Gashokli 44 AC MLA intending candidate Somadai Shaizali Kapen Mang Yimanada Kamasom Kayangko Chairman Kala Secretary na Turkami Midale Reader Yang Repay Conference YRC na Kabi Gashokli Ngriopung level Sakavai Somadai Shaizali Kangajon Vaboda Maya Hairasalaga Anaulam Kalan Hawada Kamasom Kayangko Mayer Ngalalong Aina Yang Repay Conference Executive na Meringapa Pongashok na Turkami Mishok da Kalay Atishur da Kamasom Kayangko na Hosara Chilaga Ngriopung Mangarandr Karewivang YRC President na Ayarwi Mili Kayon Kami Kapianhi Mangayimana Kala Mamashung Manada Kamasom Kayangko Chairman Kala Secretary na Pongshoka Short break with Tili Nganangrum Lishitsa
Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa opposite Unique Kids Preschool, Hamlekong, Ukhrul. Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa, Bangalore branch. Salon Hilly, hair coloring, facial, hair spa, hair dressing, manicure, pedicure, bridal makeup, hair straightening, wax epilation, head massage, foot massage, full body massage, male and female separate Samia. Ukhruli professional Salak Kahai, well-trained staff recruit Salaga, run Sadakle, Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa na. Arihon, Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa li, heavy Christmas offer late. Ralu, Ramiserlu, Sheer Genius Unisex Beauty Salon and Spa Ali. For booking information, please call 9383 274 303 or visit us.
Akama Haukok na 6-man A-side soccer inter-village friendly match room migi da lay dalay. Rani Naga People's Front NPF na sponsor Sami Gigachina. Empowering youth in political guerra kachihina. Tuikui sada kanui thought ping da kata da sada ning mating may da political luramli sharukhira kala imaram raisang rursang kawai kanui thought na sakang yiki apong lay kala kachi maram Rani chili ngazegra chia. NPF na makok mida haukok na rungmigi gaji Rani chili kung tarada aka razang rachia. Program chuwivang saman kasunglak ay nang Rani haira kala ragzang kuping psychorally saman mira da haukok team na hanga. Ngariyaw ngahan ngasyun kupsang laga ngazin pung tarugli haukok night Rani leira chili Tangkhul music forum na interden sami rachia. NPF ay na haukok with Rani akama gazipung humpung high school ground ni sagi gachina. 43 Pungyer constituency wi BJB member aka NPF li wazang haira. 43 Pungyer constituency BJB Yuva Morcha wi administration secretary saksa nongman now Temersang Saryaw ayawi ay na Naga People's Friendly wazang gahaina chia. Thobalay ni Imphal East District li Shokarna makamya outfit kaniwi mi Kani Assam Rifles na tukui haira. Assam Rifles personnel in Manipur Police na search kasali People's Liberation Army wi militant aga Thobali tukui kala Kanglaiba Communist Party wi mi Imphal East li achahon tukui achia. Tukui gahai KCB insurgency Sunday matang improvised explosion device IED Kurai Imphal East li vahai kamili zangachia. Tukui gahai PLA na KCP militant pingji Thobal kala Porambat police station ni misang hairachia. Ayang zini report at the Ukhrul district li COVID positive mi kani sambang haira. COVID second wave karahili Ukhrul district li ari rashung da COVID positive sambang gahahi ayawi kani ji zangda tingka shajishat hangshini da chini kashung hairachia. Ari Ukhrul district li COVID kagza mi machine tarada tharuk leida DSO report na jithaimia. Lushida Achawi Kamataya Baubing. Kamjong District Pungyer Block League Karesada Kamdi Winter Football Tournament Hapokhaira. India Ngalewi Apam Ngatade Dali Aya National Press Day Mayon Ngorok Haira. State Shokarna Indian Constitution with Article 371C Kala ADC election with Maramli Yangsang Mikwai President Ramnath Kovind joint memorandum Miva Haira. Aji wibao he nang chang haira ngana dak leina tum zai korali so kamiya zimik shong sa serano.